Hey guys, Patrick down of eXp Realty. I'm out here in Mill Creek in Rincon, Georgia, previewing a Galen plan from D.R. Horton. It's a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home, 2,340 square feet, offered at $355,990. Now the home I'm about to show you has already been sold, but they have another one that will be done by April, May time period. So let's go check it out. All right, here we go. Here's the front of the home, 2-car garage, as you see, 2-story home, and I love this plan. Here's the neighborhood, by the way. Nice, quiet neighborhood in Rincon. Near everything Rincon has to offer. Right on down 21, you can get to Savannah, 95, all that stuff. But if you look here to the left, as you can see, they're moving everything in place. But right here is a flex room. A lot of people use this for either a playroom or an office. Great spot just to, you know, have a good space for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Here's the half bath right there. And then we're gonna go check out this 2-car garage because it's right here. 2-car garage right there. And then we'll grab this closet right here. Christmas closet, as they like to call it. But wide open space. Typically the way I've seen it done before, obviously you got your island here. People often put their dining room table there and then their furniture over there. I have several clients that bought this plan and love it. Love the gray cabinets. Stainless steel appliances come with it except for the fridge. But right now, they got great incentives going on. $8,500 towards closing costs. That should pay for most of it. Corner pantry, love that. And then you get a 5.5 interest rate, lowest on the market right now. You can only get that through D.R. Horton. So, I mean, now's a good time to buy. They're not gonna have that rate forever. So there's a time sensitivity to this. But look how big that is. Wow, let's go upstairs. All right, I'm at the top of the stairs. You see, you got your little loft right here with some space. I'm gonna go to the primary first. That's what everybody likes to see first, but boom. Holy cow. There's a pool hole in here if you wanted to. It's humongous. I mean, king size bed, full living room, set of furniture, whatever you want to fit in here. Fantastic. Look at this closet. And it's got 2 closets now. So you got this cool walk-in one. There's another one in the bathroom. It's great. But you got your dual vanity right there. Love that. Standing shower. Great. Tile floor. There's your other closet right there. You can make that whatever you like. Linen area. And there's the toilet. All right, let's go look at the other bedrooms. Another bathroom up here, and we'll get to it. We're gonna go clockwise this time. There's another storage closet, love that. Tiled in laundry room. Come to this one right here. Nice sized room, you can fit a king, queen more like comfortably. Here's a closet right here. And come over here to this one, down the hallway. You see down there, that's where the other bathroom is. Come in here. Once again, large room. Plenty of space. What you need. Regular size closet. I'm going to open it up real quick so you see. Closet. Let's go to the other one. There we go. Kind of same dimensions here, just flipped, as you can see. All right, let's go to the bathroom. Right there, you got your linen closet right there. Dual vanity at the end here, tiled in floor, shower tub combo. All right, let's go outside. Leaving the kitchen area, living room area, going out the back sliding door. You see huge yards out here. It goes all the way to that post right over there, all the way to that post right over there, and all these homes come with that, so it's awesome. So that's a Galen floor plan in Mill Creek in Rincon, Georgia. Fantastic location. If you get in now, you get $8,500 in closing cost concessions paid by the builder. You can have a 5.5 interest rate, which won't last forever. Also, with new construction homes, you get a 2-10 warranty, which means things in your home are covered for 2 years within the walls. It's incredible. If you have any questions, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.